Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use surface feature. And this first video I will show you how to use Extruded Surface. It will be my new playlist in this channel. Stay tuned and let's start it. First, let's make a sketch. Go to From Plan, Active Spline, click from this point, this point, this point, and this point. Now, active Smart Mention at this point, this point. My point distance is 30 mm. Click OK. Click this point and this point. My point distance is 30 mm and click OK. Click this point and this point. Make horizontal. Do like this. Active Smart Mention again. Click from this point to this point. Make distance 35 mm. And click this point to this point. Make distance 78 mm. And click this point and this point. Make distance 420 and click OK. And now go to Surface. Extrude Surface. See, now you have a parameter. Direction parameter. You can use line up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, and mid plane. But in this case, I use line. Maybe I make this direction distance is 50 mm. You can choose direction too, like this. But in this case I don't use it. And click OK. See? Now you make a extrude surface. Let's make the another surface like this. Go to right plane, active circle. Click from this point to this point. Click this point and this point. Make horizontal. Maybe I will take in this middle surface like this. Now active Smart Dimension, make the circle diameter is 65 mm and click OK. See? And now go to Surface, active Extrude Surface again. Drag to OK. And click OK. See? Now you have two surface. Usually in feature we use extrude cut for cutting the part, but in surface feature we use trim. Now active trim surface like this. Now you have a parameter for selection. In trim tool parameter, click this surface. Choose remove selection, and in remove selection parameter, click the surface. perfectly okay. See, now the surface is cut. Hide the surface. See, you make a curved surface like this. I think this is the tutorial. Stay in this channel because we will learn next surface feature. Maybe revolve surface or other feature. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.